Let's be honest, keeping track of finances can feel like wrangling a herd of mischievous kittens. You think you have a handle on things, then bam! Unexpected bills pop up, subscriptions sneakily drain your account, and you're left wondering, where did all my money go? Well, fear not, financially frustrated friends. Today, we're diving into pocketguard, a budgeting app that promises to be your financial superhero. But before we suit up and take control of our cash flow, there's one crucial question: how much does this budgeting beast cost? Free reign or premium power? pocketguard, like many budgeting apps, offers a freemium model. This means you get a basic set of features for free, but to unlock the full potential, you'll need to upgrade to a paid subscription. So, what kind of financial fitness can you achieve with the free version? The free pocketguard equips you with the essentials. Transaction tracking, see where your hard-earned money goes, categorized and clear. Balance monitoring, keep an eye on your account balances in real time. In My Pocket feature, this nifty tool shows you your spendable cash after accounting for bills and savings goals. Basically, it's a financial snapshot app, giving you a quick overview of your current situation. But wait, there's more. For a price. Upgrading to pocketguard Plus unlocks a treasure trove of additional features designed to transform you from a budgeting beginner to a financial guru. Here are some highlights. Unlimited goals and budgets. Set specific goals for that dream vacation, car down payment, or anything your heart desires. Extended transaction history. Track your spending patterns further back to identify areas for improvement. Debt payoff planning. Craft a personalized strategy to demolish those pesky debts. Subscription manager. Identify and cancel those forgotten subscriptions draining your wallet. Advanced reporting and insights. Gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits and make informed financial decisions. The price tag breakdown. All right, enough with the features, let's talk turkey. Here's the lowdown on pocketguard Plus pricing. Monthly, $12.99 puts you in control on a month-to-month basis. Annual, for a more cost-effective option, the annual subscription comes in at $74.99, which breaks down to roughly $6.25 per month. Is the upgrade worth it? The decision ultimately depends on your financial goals and budgeting style. Free users rejoice. The basic features are a solid starting point for anyone looking to gain some control over their spending. For the budget-conscious but ambitious folks, the annual subscription offers significant savings and unlocks powerful tools to take your finances to the next level. Remember, think about how much you typically spend on impulse purchases or unnecessary subscriptions. Could pocketguard Plus help you save more than its cost? Final verdict. pocketguard offers a valuable freemium model, catering to both casual budget trackers and finance fanatics. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.